This trip we're going to take you to see the northeast of Thailand. This time we traveled by train and I'm going with my family. The first visit we're going to take you to Yng Khan. It is located in Leh. One of the Thai morning activity is to make merit. We give monk food, waters and flowers. In here, we give monk sticky rice instead of white rice. At night, we walk into the night market and enjoy the shop and the local food. Next, we're going to take you to the Serpent Temple. Here you can find a lot of people selling lottery. This is Thai lottery. Along the wall you can see the giant serpent all the way to the main temple. In here is a lot of people paying respect to serpent. This water will bring you a good of luck. And we stop by the quick lunch. And next we're going to take you to the Lotus Lake. Here you have to take the small boat to the spot where you're going to take photo. Another temple to go. Here is a big white Buddha temple. And the last stop that we're going to visit is Wat Phra Tak Sua. In here you can see the whole view of the city.